Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum, ETH, from Binance to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Transferring ETH is essential for managing your assets securely, especially with the latest updates in blockchain tech making it even safer and faster. First things first, make sure you have a Binance account with some ETH in it and Trust Wallet installed on your phone. If you don't, pause this video, set that up, and come back, it's quick. Step 1. Log into your Binance account on the web or app. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your ETH is stored. Step 2. Find your ETH balance and click on Withdraw. You'll see a search bar. Type in ETH and select it from the list. Step 3. Now, for the crucial part, enter your Trust Wallet address. Open Trust Wallet on your phone, go to the ETH wallet, and tap the Receive button to copy the address. Paste it into Binance, double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Step 4. Choose the network. For ETH, stick with ERC20 or the default Ethereum network to ensure compatibility. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be a small network fee, so check that before proceeding. Once you're ready, hit Withdraw and confirm with your 2FA or security measures. Step 6. Sit tight. The transfer usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, open Trust Wallet and refresh your ETH balance to see your funds. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable security features like multi-factor authentication to protect your assets. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using hardware wallets for extra safety. There you have it. Your ETH is now safely in Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge. See you in the next video.